Of course, we stay on the human toll tonight. Patients across this country, including those 5 members of one Missouri family. We have new reporting here on the mother and father, both still in the hospital tonight. The names, the faces, the stories from all over this country, from Matt Gutman.
Tonight, the virus invading America is taking down entire families, including 5 of the 7 people in this picture of the Winehouse family who first started feeling symptoms nearly 3 weeks ago.
My dad, who's on oxygen in the ICU currently, and my mom was actually on a ventilator for 8 days, and now she's on oxygen in the ICU as well.
Days after his parents got symptomatic, Jason, his brother, and sister-in-law also got sick. The Missouri family is hopeful for their parents and grateful to their doctors and nurses.
What they're doing on a daily basis, sacrificing their health to save other people's lives is truly heroic.
An act of selflessness and necessity also replicated in thousands of homes across America, including in New Orleans, a new hotspot where authorities say a 17-year-old has died and where there are folks like Jonathan Gibson caring for his toddler Miles while he carefully cleans the bedroom he shared with his wife Tiffany.
Why is it that you call your bedroom with your wife Chernobyl, and why do you wear gloves and a mask to go in?
It definitely just feels like somewhere there was a huge schism that shook a lot of lives, and so going in there, it just still kind of feels like a war zone.
34-year-old Tiffany started feeling symptoms 2 weeks ago. After 10 days and 4 trips to the ER, she was finally admitted with pneumonia, which means Jonathan now doesn't have any backup.
If you get sick, your son doesn't have anybody else to care for him right now.
Yeah, my parents live in Mississippi.
Alex Giles believes he got sick in New Orleans at Mardi Gras, but believes he brought the virus back to the family home in Maryland, where his wife Danielle has tried to nurse him without going near him.
I just delivered Alex's food. Say hi to Alex.
Gingerly delivering food on that ironing board. She hasn't been any closer than 15 feet, the entire family under one roof, but only communicating on FaceTime.
I imagine that this is very trying, because you're not only trying to care for your husband who's sick, you're also trying to prevent your kids from getting sick and yourself.
How do I keep my kids safe so that like a mama bear effect, making sure that everything is well.
And tonight we're hearing from Karen Mannering in England. She is fighting for her life and the life of her unborn baby.
You're going to take this home and you're going to kill someone. Just stop going out.
Warning everyone to stay inside.
We know it's a real concern for pregnant women across this country as well. And Matt Gutman back with us tonight. Matt, you've been reporting here on former presidential candidate Amy Klobuchar, who went public with the story of her own husband who has the virus. He was on oxygen. She wasn't able to visit him in the hospital. And I think she pointed that out because she knew that so many families are going through this same thing. And you have news from the senator tonight?
In fact, good news, David. John Bessler has been released from the hospital. Klobuchar's team says he's resting comfortably at home. Now, it's important to remind folks that the coronavirus is not a death sentence. 80% of the people who contract it only have mild symptoms. And even if you are hospitalized, like Bessler, you can recover. David.
But we've got to give those hospitals a fighting chance by continuing this social distancing.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.